So, apart from all the off-roading stuff, we just chill on regular bikes. Ooh, look at this boy. Even she's attempting the little ramp. Leo! Oh. Come on, you could do it. Let's go. All right, brought the boys out here again. They wanted to come to the park near the house. Hey, stay. Don't be going so much in the water because then your mamas are gonna tie me to the fence. 3, 2, 1. Nah, yeah, it's in a flip on you guys. I don't want someone with a broken arm. If it was concrete, I'd say send it. So I brought them to the next park over. They have a little mini trail on the side here with a little bit of baby jumps for them. Well, a few minutes later, and we all got flat tires. There was a bunch of thorns in the spot that we just went to, so we're gonna head back home. I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna get them all some inner tubes. Get the bikes running again. All right, I got the kids a bunch of inner tubes for the bikes. They didn't need inner tubes. I could have probably sat there and patched them all. But because of the time and me trying to get back home because I work tomorrow, I just picked up some inner tubes. I'll swap them out real quick, fill them up with air, and they'll be ready to ride their bikes again. Leo jamming with the music and all. Oh, here comes the boy jamming. Ooh, that was a close one. Yeah. Hey, Leo, what happened to the razor? Bro, I'm telling you, that kid's just serious all day. Oh, I think he's angry they took it. Yeah! So all the boys are now confident with taking the ramps. I put them back to back and now they don't mind going up the other one. In no time they'll be catching some air off of it. He's already been doing it. What happened, Leo?